Hello children, welcome to your science class of standard 3. Today we will continue with the same chapter that we started in the last class, chapter number 8, some properties of water. Before we start, let us have a recap of the chapter.
Physical properties of water. Water is a tasteless, colorless, and odorless liquid. It does not have any definite shape, but it takes the shape of the container. Water exists in three forms: solid as ice, snow, liquid as water, and gas as steam or water vapor. These three states of water can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Water dissolves a lot of substances, so it is called universal solvent. Change of state of water. One state of water can be changed to another state by heating or cooling. The change of state of water is as follows. Solid to liquid. The process of changing a solid into a liquid on heating is called melting. That is, ice, solid, melts to form water, liquid, on heating. Second one is liquid to gas. The process of changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Water, liquid, evaporates to form water vapor, gas. Evaporation is a slow process. It becomes faster on heating, boiling the liquid. The third one is gas to liquid. The process of changing a gas into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. Water vapor, gas, condenses on cooling to form water, liquid. Condensation is opposite of evaporation. The fourth and the last one is liquid to solid. The process of changing a liquid into a solid on cooling is called solidification. Water, liquid, solidifies into ice, solid, on cooling. Now we will start with a new subtopic for today's class, water and water solutions. On mixing two or more substances together uniformly, a solution is formed. For example, a solution of salt and water. Here, salt is solute and water is solvent. Thus, we can say that the solid or liquid which dissolves in a liquid is known as the solute. Some of the examples of solid solute are sugar and salt that dissolves in water, and liquid solute is milk. It easily dissolves in water. The liquid in which the solute dissolves is known as the solvent. Here, water is the solvent. The liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called solution. That is, solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Few examples of solution are sugar solution of sugar and water and a solution of sugar and milk. Now we will learn about the conditions required to make a solution. To make a solution, we must have solute and solvent. The solute must be soluble in the given solvent at room temperature. Here are some of the factors affecting the making of a solution. Number 1 is heating the solvent. We have noticed that when we heat the solvent, the solute dissolves faster in the solvent to form a solution. You might have noticed that sugar dissolves in warm water or milk faster as compared to cold water or milk. The second factor affecting the making of a solution is stirring the solute. On stirring the solute using a glass rod or a spoon, it dissolves faster in the solvent to form a solution in less time. You might have noticed that if you put salt or sugar in water and leave it, it takes a lot of time to get dissolved and vanish. But if you stir it using a spoon, it dissolves faster. The third factor is increasing the amount of the solvent. On increasing the amount of solvent, a solute dissolves easily in the solvent to make the solution faster. Now children, on page number 65 you can see a checkpoint. Checkpoint 1. Now let's see what we have to do. Say true or false. Now we will read the sentences and find out whether the statements are true or false. Number 1. Water is a colorless and tasteless liquid. So this statement is true. It is one of the physical property of water. The second statement is water is called universal solvent. This statement is also true. Water dissolves a lot of substances, so it is called universal solvent. The third statement. The process of changing a liquid into a gas on heating is called melting. This statement is false. The process of changing a liquid into a gas on heating is called evaporation. The fourth statement is, in a salt and water solution, salt is solvent. This statement is also false. In a salt and water solution, salt is the solute, not solvent. Okay children, for today our class is over. The remaining part we will do in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you.